Thank y'all for tapping in. Like, comment, subscribe, because as you can see, we in the Zl1 1Le. We got a big GTR full body kit, you know what I'm saying? Big wing, full fender kit, skirts, front splitter, front lip, front bumper, hood, big C8, a Supra, gang. I think we're meeting up with a 350. I don't even know, but we about to go to a car show at the airport, gang. So this is about to be like something y'all have never ever seen, chat. Something like y'all have never ever seen. We got to catch up to the boys, because your boy must be slow today. But we are headed to Greenville, so we should have a good ride, hopefully. I've never been to a car show at an airport, and y'all can see what kind of cars I'm with, so that's probably why. This is the first type of video y'all probably seen cruising with some high-end luxury cars. I guess when you cop a Zl1 1Le, you get invited to stuff like this. So y'all live life. Comment, subscribe, man, because it's only bangers on bangers, and we putting on for the city, man. So like always, further ado, if you want to join in, tap in with the Owl Gang. New merch on, as you can see, I'm wearing right now, gang. So if you are liking what you're seeing, yeah, Sirski, big C8, big GTR, big Supra, man. We gonna see, we gonna get a little POV for y'all, gang. Nothing crazy but views on views. Big wing, gang. I guess 3 wings. Only thing not winged up is a Super, chat. Let me know down below. Y'all are gonna get a closer up view, but let me know which one you liking the most. You going Zl1 1Le, C8? Personally, I'm going big body GTR, bro. It's got the body kit, it's got the motor, it's got everything, chat. Y'all gonna see further closer into detail on that. And if you didn't watch my other video where I pulled up on them with the big camera and got a ride along, tap in, because I got a ride along video with the big body GTR, chat. So you know I'm putting out content as always, man. So if y'all have ever been to a Greenville airport car show, or if this is the first one, I don't know, but it should be a good one, gang. Never been to an airport, and you can see the whip, so hopefully there's something crazy out there. There's lamb chops, McLeesy's, something, gang. But this is the whips right here. This is the lineup of the night, chat. Big C8, big body kit GTR, big M4 V8 M3, or I don't even know, M3, M4, one of those, gang, but it's got a V8 in it. But we gonna get behind this GTR piece right here, because it sounds OD. God, gang. They bugging. Which one of y'all going, M3 or GTR, C8, Supra, Zl1 1Le, chat? Let me know. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I'm just trying to get the noises of these cars, man, because that GTR's got full exhaust, turbo upgrades. Who even knows, gang? Yeah, and we got an S8 right here, gang. Look at that, gang. Big GTR, big GTR. Yay! Coming in hot. It's an M3, one of the V8 ones. That shit hard though. And S8, we riding deep, gang. GTR in the back of the pack. Here y'all go. Y'all about to get this flyby? Yeah! Chat, that should make you nut up, gang, don't it? If you ain't living your life right here with these cars, get in front of me, big dog. Yeah! That GTR sounds crazy, bro. I gotta get a GT3 by Christmas. After being in that, Supercar is the only way. Supercar is the only way, gang. Not gonna cap. GT3 by Christmas. Somehow, but it's happening. Bro, I gotta straight pipe my GT3. And we gonna be back. And we gonna run that GTR, bro. Y'all gotta tap in though. This GTR is crispy, man. Crispy. Y'all gotta check out that POV ride. Where's bro going? Look at him. Bro just got a cramp and just dipped. I'm glad. cutting up for y'all, gang. Big Supra. Yeah. And that boy still got a paper plate on that Supra. And that's AG, big GT3 Phil. Big GT350. Oh, big body Benz? Gang, this is the content I just turned up for y'all boys. I just turned up. We just doubled packed down here too. Now, chat, which car y'all going, gang? Oh my God. Yeah, chat. Big body. I just want to see everybody's whips, chat. No cap. If y'all can see this rear view mirror GTR 350 piece M3 C8 Supra Zl1 1Le, and this boy got like headers, tune, all that, chat. This 350 should be running, gang. Oh God. Sheesh. Let me know if y'all rocking with the 350. Hey, 999 on the plate too, gang. Yeah. GTR bean. Yeah, chat. I gotta get a video because this, you only live once, and this is a sight, bro. This is my first time seeing anything like this, gang. I'm saying, chat, tap in. If you ain't subscribed, you better, because this channel's about to blow up. I'm about to be up next. Big Stradman mentality. I'm saying I'm about to have every car going absolutely dumb. And y'all like that Benz body, bro? I don't know what downshifted earlier, if it was that big body right there or if it was the 3/5, but bro, it sound dumb. We gonna let big bro right here in. What's about to go down, but it just smell like cat, gas, I don't even know. It smell like pussy, gang. This is wild. Oh, DZ. Woo. That 3/5 screaming. Super gang just got left. No. Hey, they might got a different way, chat. I'm just following the GTR because y'all see the content with this, chat. You can't miss out on the GTB. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go exotic soon. And my boy right here, like 21, saying 20. Big GTR, full body kit. Y'all know, if you know GTRs, you just know that's a GTR you don't want to miss. Living dreams, man, with this channel. Y'all making my dreams come true. I'm not even lying, chat. Like, y'all watching these videos, subbing, interacting, everything matters, bro. Everything y'all doing, gang, I'm thankful for y'all. Y'all making dreams come true. No cap. And y'all hear that supercharger. Big Hellcat, but it's not, gang. And why can I hear the turbos on this G-Beam, bro? Bro, I really do like these GTRs. After like seeing one in person, I've never been up close to one, chat. But bro, I gotta go GTR. I gotta go supercar this year. Definitely next year, but this year I've got to. I just can't. By next year, bro, I'm gonna be GT3'd up, gang. And y'all hear my, this thing sounding wicked, gang. I don't know what we doing, chat, but we just look goofy. Z sound dumb. I don't know who we followed, but we not following the right people. We just following the right cars, gang. But y'all really do tap in what car you think's the best and why. Something, chat. Let me know. You can really hear that supercharger screaming today, though. It's getting hectic, gang. A little bit of traffic. We lost. We bots, for real. I guess I followed bot pack. If you're in this pack right now, you're a bot. Troy's father. And AG, bro, if you watch him, you're bots. I'm just kidding. Y'all really got the whips today. Making the ZL1 pop, chat. I gotta get headers and a tune or something to make this thing open up and scream. That would be OD, chat. Let me know what y'all want to see come to the ZL1. Or should I just get rid of it, chat? Should I go big supercar, gang? And the people love that. See if y'all can keep up. Yeah! Yeah. I gotta get another flyby of this GTR, bro. Bro, they cutting up back there. GTA and C8. We should be getting close to the spot, though. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to see this car show content, y'all are gonna have to tap into the next video. I'm gonna keep this one strictly POV drive. So this video is gonna pick up just only strictly POV drive, and if y'all want the separate car content, y'all gonna have to tap in with another video. Keep everything clean, keep everything simple, and make y'all boys come back. Y'all know what I'm saying? Sub up though so you don't miss out, gang.